Here's how you make Yorkshire pudding. You use 1.5 cups for the milk. Look first. And you crack 4 eggs. You crack them into a separate bowl so that you don't get any eggshells in the mixture. Before you add in the eggs into the mixture, you make sure there is no eggshells in the mixture first before you do it. Get them out by using another eggshell as a scoop. Then you mix it all together with a whisk until it looks like a liquid that has orange and yellowish and whitish stuff. Then you add a teaspoon of salt. And you add 1.25 cups of flour into the mixture. Before you put it in, you must flatten it out so you know that you didn't add too much flour into the mixture. Then you must whisk it all together really hard and fast. Really fast and hard, like this.
Part of this whisking.
Yes, until it's all white and gooey. It's batter like this one. Before you put it in the oven, and you must put oil on the tray where you put the Yorkshire pudding and to warm up the pan for them. And the oil will also keep them from sticking together. Here as well on there. Here, after you put on the oil, you must put it in the oven. Remember to use mitten in oven mitts. That way you don't burn yourself. Safety first. You put them in like this. Yes, it's in like this. You will then leave it in for 2 to 3 minutes. When this is out, you put in the batter into the pan hand trays. Better not to add too much, or else you will cause it to overflow. And then the Yorkshire pudding will be way too big. You vent and leave them in the oven for 20 minutes tops. And voila, Yorkshire pudding. Delicious. Oh, remember to turn off the oven and shut it so you don't burn the house down.